your nib's too slow and your ink won't flow, here's one of the places that you can go. Larry is here to help you through with Mr. Announcer and Cubby too. It's Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews.
Hey, welcome folks. Larry Barondas here in Fort Worth, Texas. Woo! Yes, sir. Well, it's mail call, my friends. So are you ready? Are you comfy in your chair? You got your brew going on, Kool-Aid, tea, a 44 maybe, whatever drink turns you down, turns you upside round. Here we go, mail call. And we have no earthly idea what it is, because I didn't order it. Mr. Announcer ordered it.
I ordered it, but I don't remember it.
Here we go. Now this looks like a pen that has my name on it. Not sure. So here we go. Dun 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 dun. All right. Oh, here we go. And it comes from Super Economy from, it doesn't say. It looks like China to me.
It appears to be Chinese, but the package said it was from California.
Oh, this isn't the package.
No, it came in
another one.
It came in. They wrapped in another package. Yes.
Okay. So here we go. Interesting for sure. I do like the pattern on the pen. Oh, it's a Hero pen. That's why. Okay, 2019. So a Chinese Hero pen. Is that what you ordered?
Well, the design does sort of look familiar, but I just don't remember ordering it. Maybe I'm getting Cubby's dementia disease.
Uh-oh. Okay. Hooded nib. I'm not too sure if this is going to be a deal or no deal. I've tried several of these hooded nibs from Hero, and I think 1 out of 4 was good. This one may be okay, I'm not sure.
Yeah, I do like the design on it.
Oh, the
so
design on the pen looks great, yeah. Comes with a converter. Well, we won't know till we do the review on it. Let's leave it at that. But I do like the color of the pen. I like the design on it. The chrome, not sure about that because it's slippery. It doesn't bother me, but some folks are fussy about that. And it has right here on the both ends of the grip, it has a section made for your fingers to sit, something like a lumby, but not quite, okay? So, well, that's Uno. And it just says Hero 2019. So, okay. Hero Pen 2019, make sure I'm right. Oh, I'm sorry, Hero Pen 3019. I stand corrected, Hero Pen 3019. So forget the 20. Little dementia going on here. Now, this is a heavier thing right here. So, here we go. Look at everything here. Made in China. Looks like a Jin Hao, maybe. I'm just guessing. looking at the emblem, and it comes in a cardboard box. No magnetic closed or nothing. It's just there. So we'll see. Yeah, Jin Hao was right. Yep. Nice looking box. Give him that. But actually, it's
That's
supposed to have been a sleeve. Actually, that was a sleeve that came unglued.
Oh, yeah.
See? So there you go. Okay. Let's get all this straight, Larry. Okay, that's supposed to be it just unglued. I'm going to glue that back up. And it comes in this really nice looking pen case that has Jin Hao on it. And this, we'll just slide it out. Or does it? Ah, this one is a magnetic, I think. Oh, it really isn't a magnet. It just flips over. And here we go, folks. Wow.
Okay, I do remember that one, yes.
Wow, okay. This is a lot of stuff going on here. Wow. Okay. Hello, the wand. Ha ha. Okay. All right. This is what you wanted.
Yes, I like that decoration type stuff on the outside.
I see. Well,
Is that the one that's a dragon?
Yeah. Hi, dragon. That thing has some weight to it.
Yeah, I think I found that on Etsy.
Okay. Where the wand shoots it out. All right. That's a little nib. Jin Hao in the converter. And I think this is made to screw on. Yep. And there's your pen. One colossal pen. No clip, just a pen. Now that is some weight, for sure. Right there. That's some weight. Okay. All right. Well, there you have it. The Hero 3019 and the Jin Hao. I have no idea what they call it until I look it up. But there it is. 2 pens. Can you get a good look at that dragon? The dragon's good looking. Well, folks, thank you for joining me on Mail Call today. Until my next mail call, be safe, my friends. As always, a lot of peace and love to each and every one of you. And remember, please don't text and drive.
Oh, and to answer the comments that I get on these all the time, no, I did not buy them because I thought they were expensive. I just like the way they look.
Oh, interesting. Okay.